your vocabulary is amazing? Let's find out. In today's video, we'll test your vocabulary based on these 9 questions. The first 3 questions are from the beginner level, the next 3 from the intermediate, and the last 3 questions are from the advanced level. You'll get a total of 3 seconds to answer each question. If you want longer, you can pause the video. For each correct answer, you get 1 point. So calculate your score so that you can find out your level at the end of the video. Question number 1. What is Aishwarya doing in this picture? Mopping, sweeping, wiping. You have 3 seconds to answer this question. The correct answer is sweeping. Mopping is to clean the floor with water and a mop, whereas sweeping is to clean with a broom. Before we move to the next question, listen to this.
People have been so generous right from the outset.
What is the meaning of the word generous? Encouraging, loving, giving. You have 3 seconds. The correct answer is giving.
Yeah, you sort of want to be an architect, right?
Aishwarya said she wanted to be an architect. What does an architect do? Repair roads, construct buildings, or design buildings? The correct answer is design buildings. The construction of building is done by engineers and builders, not interior designers or architects. These 3 questions were roughly from the beginner level. Now let's move on to the intermediate level. Question number 4. Listen to the audio and fill in the gap.
From the historic drinking water mission that brought water to millions in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
Your options are potable, portable, edible. The correct answer is portable. Portable with the R refers to something that is easy to carry. For example, smartphones are portable. Whereas portable refers to something that is safe to drink. For example, this water is potable. It means you can drink it. It is safe. Edible, on the other hand, refers to something that is safe to eat. Listen to this audio and spot the error.
It's also common in India that we don't have to take appointments with our parents to meet for dinner. So
You have 3 seconds to answer this question. The error here is in the fragment take appointments. We always say to make an appointment. For example, I have to make an appointment with my doctor. We never say take appointments. It's incorrect. Question number 6. Match the emotion to the picture. There are only 3 correct answers and 2 of these are distractors. They're not the answers at all. You have 3 seconds. The first picture is petrified. Petrified. Petrified means to be extremely scared. The second one is intrigued. Intrigued. Intrigued means to be interested and curious about something. The third one is euphoric. Euphoric. Euphoric means to be extremely happy. This was the end of the intermediate level. Now we move to the advanced C1, C2 level. The test is going to get a little more difficult. So tighten your seat belts. It's going to get really interesting from here. Question number 7. Which one of these words is odd one out?
We just fleetingly met. Everything is transient. The narrative is ever enduring.
The correct answer is enduring. Both fleeting and transient means something that lasts for a short period of time, whereas enduring means long-lasting. Question number 8.
Worth is innate.
Aishwarya says worth is innate. Which of these words mean the same as innate? Intrinsic, intricate, integral. The correct answer is intrinsic. Both innate and intrinsic refers to a quality that is natural, that is inborn. For example, her singing is innate. It means she was born with this naturally. Whereas intricate means something that is detailed or complex. Integral means an important part of something.
There is only one God, and He is omnipresent.
Which one of these words mean the same as omnipresent? Eternal, infinite, ubiquitous. The correct answer is ubiquitous. Both ubiquitous and omnipresent means something that is present everywhere. For example, smartphones are ubiquitous. They are present everywhere. Eternal, on the other hand, means something that lasts forever. For example, his love was eternal. It means it lasted forever. This brings us to the end of this test. Now let's find out what's your vocabulary level. If you scored anywhere between 0 to 2 correct answers, you are at the beginner level. It means you understand basic and simple words, but you're not able to use difficult words in your vocabulary. If you scored 3 to 5 correct answers, it means you're at the intermediate level. You're able to use better alternatives for the simple words that are there. This is a good place to be. But if you want to improve more, then you must work towards the advanced level. If you scored 7 above, it means your vocabulary is already at an advanced level. It's amazing. Let us know your scores in the comment section below. I'm really excited to see how everybody performed. Don't forget to share it with your friends who want to improve their vocabulary. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you next time.